Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this episode we are going to be trading binary option. I'm going to show you my personal strategy that I'm using every single day and I'm printing money with. As you can see up there now, there are $37,000 in this account. I started with just $100 and everything I've done here at YouTube. And I also trade live every single day so you can follow my trades. So everything is documented. So this strategy really works. But before we get to that, before we get to anything, make sure you also sign up with this broker. And also, if you have an account from before, make sure you close that account. I will tell you why. Close your account. Make sure you remove your money, of course, withdraw it, close it down. And when you've done that, sign up with my link. The reason you should sign up with my link, I give my affiliate income back to you. So this will, if you take a regular account, you get nothing. But if you use my link, you're getting advantage. Every time you trade, you will get 60% of what I would have earned as affiliate back to you. So how it's paid, I'm not 100% sure if it's once a week, however, but you will get 60% of my affiliate income back every time you trade. So it will be more like cash back to you, okay? So if that's something interesting for you and you want to start trading, make sure you sign up with the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the link you find below the video. Also, here's the thing. You get 50% extra on your deposit if you deposit more than $100. So make sure you deposit more than $100, okay? So now we'll get started with trading and I'll show you my strategy. So now let's see. Basically with this broker, we are trading support and resistance, and we are also trading trend lines. So I will now just see if we can find a good area to be trading. We might need to look through a few pairs. Here we see, for example, we have a nice trend line. So this is something I will typically be trading. Of course, a little far away right now, but I'll just show you. Let's close this thing here. So, for example, if you come up to this line here, I would easily just push lower. And closing, let me see, we are closing at 30 seconds, okay? But right now, this is not even close, so let's see if we can find something better. Down here, I see something. Let's take a horizontal line. If we come down to this area there, I would easily push up. Also, if we come up to the line there, let's change the colors. This one can be green. This one we can change to a red color. If we come up to the red line, we push down. It's that simple. So now we just need to wait to see what comes first. I think I see one more thing. We have so many options in our toolbox. You also see a trend here. Something like this. If you come up to that trend line, let's make it a nice red color. We push down. So now we have three things going on. Let's see what comes first. So we have a big toolbox with ways of trading. What we do not use is indicators. Indicators is rubbish. Never use an indicator. If you have been losing money with binary option, probably it's because you've been using indicators. Because most YouTubers will tell you that you should use an indicator. Trust me, it's rubbish because they are making money. You have many options when you join as affiliate. And I earn for each trade you do. But the way you can earn more money is to make money. They can earn like 50-60% of your deposit. That is one. And but then you need to lose your money basically. I don't want to be trading this way. I want people to make money, so I do for each trade. I earn very little from it, but at least I feel it's a fair way because I want you to win. That's why they show you these rubbish strategies where you're using a lagging indicator that basically in the end will lose you money. So you see you have a downward trend, so in some way I hope you come up the line is better than this line down here. But we will trade all these options. We have 3 options right now. Right now we are closer to our line in bottom. So if we come down to the green line, we will push up. We are ready. Also make sure you join my WhatsApp. You find link below. And there I typically post all my... Oh, did you see that? I came down here and I did push and we came all the way up here with a bad entry. So if we lose this trade, yeah, it's not too strange. I did push down here and it shoot up. So let's see if we can get lucky and win this trade. The entry, the meaning about that trade was good. I pushed it down here, but it did shoot up. At least we won the trade. You got my idea that we trade on the line. Even though my entry was bad, we still won the trade. So basically this is how fast. Now we can go to closer trades. And you see here, we made $460 in matter of seconds. So that's how good this strategy is. Now you can see you have an entry down here. And you see, you shoot up. So that is basically how you trade binary option. I hope you like this easy going strategy. You just basically mark where you see the market many times stop. Like you see here, he stopped on the green line, he stopped on the green line, he stopped. Yes, eventually you will get a loss, but most of the time you will win. So now looks like he broke the line. But this strategy is not 100%. I will never tell you that I have a 100% win strategy. My strategy is actually closer to around 60 up to 80% win rate. But that is more than enough when we are making $92 for each win. So, and you can just follow me live. I'm trading live every single day, and you will see I'm printing money also. Trading live in front of your eyes, and you can basically copy what I'm doing also. So I hope you really like this strategy. I hope you will do well with binary option, and keep me posted on how you're doing, and tell me in the comments below how you're doing if you start to copy me, and also if you have open account under me. I would love to know that also. Lastly, make sure you like this video so we can get more views, because more views, more fun it is to me also to do live sessions, because yes, I am one of the only YouTubers that go live every single day, and you can follow me live. And I don't edit my videos. That's why you can hear me sometimes say wrong in my videos, because I want to keep it real. So with that, have an amazing day.